In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with HubSpot. If you want your scheduling activity to connect more smoothly with your CRM, this integration is a great place to start. By linking Calendly with HubSpot, you can help keep meeting activity organized and make it easier to manage contact information in one central place. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic setup process directly from inside HubSpot. To begin, sign into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right area of the navigation bar. You'll see the marketplace icon, which looks like a shopping bag. Go ahead and click that icon to open the available marketplace options. From the menu, select App Marketplace. This will take you to the section where HubSpot lists the apps and integrations you can connect to your account. When the marketplace page opens, use the search bar to look for Calendly. Typing the app name directly into the search field is the quickest way to find it, especially if you have a lot of available integrations displayed on the page. When Calendly appears in the search results, click into the app listing to open its details page. This page typically gives you a summary of what the integration does, along with any connection requirements or permissions involved. It's a good idea to briefly review this information so you understand what data will sync between the two platforms. Next, click Install App. HubSpot will then guide you through the connection flow. At this stage, you'll be prompted to log into your Calendly account if you aren't already signed in. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the integration. This authorization step allows HubSpot and Calendly to communicate securely, so make sure you read each permission screen carefully before continuing. Once you approve the connection, the integration should be completed in just a few moments. Depending on your account and browser session, you may be redirected back to HubSpot automatically, or you may see a confirmation message letting you know the app has been successfully connected. If anything doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh and check the installed apps area in HubSpot to confirm that Calendly is now listed. That's a simple way to verify the setup worked correctly. And that's it. You've now connected Calendly with HubSpot using the app marketplace, and you're ready to start using the integration inside your workflow.